Hello everybody, my name is S5Y and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a 1.15.1 server in Minecraft to play with your friends and to test out 1.15.1 plugins using the 1.15.1 buildtools.jar files. Anyways, this is a beginner tutorial and all of the links for all of the downloads are provided within the description below. Anyways, let's get started. So first we got to open up Google Chrome or the web browser that we want to use, and then we're going to have to look up Spigot 1.15.1. So download the jar file Spigot 1.15.1 and create a folder and name this folder Minecraft Server. Inside your Minecraft server, you're just going to drag and drop the spigot.jar file into the server folder. There it is, sitting all comfortably. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to rename this server.jar. We're going to create a new text file called start. In this text file, we're going to open it up and we're going to type in java dash jar server.jar no GUI. Save that, rename to start.bat. And what's going to happen is when you click on it, your terminal is going to pop up and a bunch of files are going to be created. Don't worry, that's what's supposed to happen. So we press start. Notice that the build is outdated. Oh my gosh, it's not outdated. This is just a ridiculous server error. If you have the build tools, you can actually build the Spigot file and then put that into your Minecraft server, which fixes this error. But anyways, I'll just skip the video. Alright, welcome back. So the terminal quit and all of our log file or our log folder, our EULA, our server.properties have all been created. So what we're going to do next is we're going to open up EULA and change this line to true. Once you're done with that, file save, then start up the server again. And it's going to take 20 seconds. So in that time, I'm going to open up Minecraft. Go into your latest version, which will be 1.15.1. Let's slap that puppy inside and press play. And the server will generate. So I've just finished creating the 1.15.1 server. As you can see, I'm not on 1.15.1, but instead I made another server that was 1.12, just because I like it a little more. And just to show you that this works with any version of the game, just as long as you get the Spigot file that is the same as the game, or the version of the game you're using. So we're going to add server, and in the server address we're going to type localhost, and then done. And then you can see our server is ready. And here we are. We're in our server. So, you know, just make sure to have fun with your friends and make sure you port forward your server. I'll show you the best methods for port forwarding in the description below for each individual router. And I want to thank you very, very, very much for watching. Anyways, have a great day. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching my video, and goodbye.
I want it back, got a plan, it's just kinda hard to word, it's all I need. I want more life of my Drake shit, and I'm getting tired of all the same shit. I wanna see my family, wanna see my friends, I've been slept on like my name says. And I'm pretty far from being famous, but I sure as hell ain't nameless. I just take aim, I ain't aimless.